On an all different commute this morning. We're having to go via the Fishness Lochalan Ferry, which then involves about an hour and a half-ish, depends, van's quite loaded up, drive up to along to Kilhone. For those that don't know, I live in Tobermory, which is in the north of Mull, but right now we're doing a lot of work over village of Kilhone there mostly. So we get a 35-minute ferry journey in the morning, but the vehicle ferries had to go away for its annual overhaul and it's been replaced by a passenger only ferry, which is a real pain. So this is Tuesday till Friday, they'll be passenger only, but we had to get building materials over because our usual supplier over there is not down that way. So it's involved a long start to the day. It's a bit of a long-winded start to the video, but just to give you a wee bit of context of some of the struggles of living where we do. Cheers. Right, morning guys, we're going to leave the gable ladders now in the end panel, just with our window of opportunity of dry weather. We're just going to strip these tiles off and extend this roof into here and get it all covered up, and then it doesn't matter if that bit's exposed as long as we get this bit protected for if the weather breaks over the weekend or anything. Left hand side or?
Yes, the
first two sides.
Do you need to rip some more? Ready?
No, not now. No.
Sure.
Right, so that is the roof pretty much formed. Cut back our tails for our fascias and soffits, both sides. We're ready just to get the roof membrane on. and our eave felt. Once we get I'm not sure if we're going to do a soft fascia first side. It usually is just undercoating that now, so we'll see how well that dries. But next we're going to apply this top of this gable, ready for getting windows installed. The heavens have opened on us finally. Had a good run of weather, not getting wet, but just as we started building the roof paper, it's absolutely pouring down now. But it seems to be shedding the water, which is the main thing. There could be a wee lead time getting the roof sheets here, so we'll just make sure this is as bomb proof as possible, but all seems to be working now. Right guys, that is the porch, pretty much wind and watertight. Usually get the windows and doors in, kind of officially watertight, but we're not going to have enough time to put them in today, so that's probably a Monday job. So we're going to leave all the openings papered over, just to help keep the water out. Put some extra strapping on there, stapled on just to help. There's a wee bit of weather coming in over the weekend, and we might try and get some straps on before we go, just to help keep the roof paper on. But nice to get to this stage. Once if it's all keeping the weather out well enough, then we can get some insulation started inside. But I think we might just have to let it dry out a wee bit before we do that. In the meantime, we'll get the windows in, get all our cladding battens on and roof battens on, ready for roof sheets and cladding to come there on order, so we'll wait for them. Thanks for watching the video guys, catch you on the next one. Cheers for now.